with cookie dough concealer. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to be using only Huda Beauty products. So a full face of makeup using only Huda Beauty. For primer, I'm going in with Easy Blur Primer. Now I'm going to do my brows. I will go ahead and do the other one off camera using the Faux Filter Color Corrector in the shade Peach to cover hyperpigmentation. I'm just going to blend that out now. If you live in the GTA, you must be seeing the same amount of snow. We got 2 snowstorms in a row, so much snow. Now I'm going in with the Easy Blur foundation. Blend it out with my Makeup by Mario brush. Now I'm just blending it out. Now using blush in the shade Strawberry Cream. Keeping it high, and I will blend my concealer into the blush later. Now I'm going in with cookie dough concealer. Blending it out with this brush. And using whatever's left over to prime my eyelids for eyeshadow. Now I'm going to set my face. And I'm using the shade Banana Bread in the Easy Bake Loose Setting Powder. Dusting it off and taking the excess to my eyelid. I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty Icy Nude Eyeshadow Palette, dipping into the shade Lavish and putting that all over my crease. Using windshield wiper motions, dusting it onto my crease and flicking the end out and just flicking out this part. Now I'm dipping into Unapologetic. Keeping this lower than my crease. Dipping into the shade IDGAF. I guess it stands for I don't give an F. I'm blending the two shades together. I'm going back into IDGAF. I'm going to blend them together again, so you don't see any harsh lines. Since I don't have an eyeliner by Huda Beauty, I am using the darkest shade of this palette. It's called She Rich, and just carefully adding it close to my lash line. Highlighting my inner corner with Iced Out. Taking Lavish and applying it to my lower lash line. I don't have any bronzers or contour by Huda Beauty, so I'm using one of her old eyeshadow palettes and just using this shade as a bronzer. And then I'm dipping into the pinks, mixing the pinks, and I'm going to apply those over my blush. For highlighter, I'm using this Moon Dust shade. For lips, I'm going in with her classic Bombshell. This is the finished look using only Huda Beauty product. What do you guys think? Make sure you check out my other videos and stay tuned for more. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you haven't already and give this video a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below what you would like to see next, and see you next time. Bye!